Hi everyone, this is Nataraj. I'm going to talk about that list all the service account using the Google API client libraries in the Python. The Google API Python client library is officially supported by the Google. In the Python script, I use the Google API client library to interact with that Google Cloud platform and list the service account in that specific projects. So this is the API documentation to retrieve that service account from the GCP. You can see here this is a list and these are all things is argument. In these argument sections, the name is the required parameter. Another arguments are optionals. Output of the object is written as that JSON output. In my case, I am going to list that email ID and username. So we'll moving to the Visual Studio Code. I will detailing can explain about my code. So we are at the Visual Studio Code. The entire source code is available in my repository. You can clone from any time. So first we have to ensure that library is installed in that py command. In my case, I'm already installed those package. So I'm skipping these things. Next one is the importing model. The Google OAuth 2 module is used to create the credential using the service account key file. Next one is that Google API client.discovery. This is a function. This function is used to construct that service object for interacting with specific Google APIs. Next one is that constants, which means that most of the code will be commonly be there. So in my case, the service account file variable referred with that service account key file. This file will be containing the credential need to interacting with my GCP. Next one is the scopes. The scope is required by that API. So next one is the build the service object. This service, we are building that service object for the IAM API using the credentials which created that earlier. Next one is the project ID. Based on my project ID, I defined it. It can varying with the corresponding project to project. Next one is that service account. Here we are making the API call to list the service account in the specific projects. You can see I think the execute. So execute is method to send the request and return the response. Then is the if conditions. The if condition check that if the response is containing any service account, if the service accounts are found, it will be iterating through them and print out their names and email ID. If the no accounts are found, it will be printing the no service account were found. So I'm moving to the terminal to executing this entire operations. So I'm going to click the three dot and click the new terminal. Just I'm going to executing with the Python and provide the file name. So I'm going to enter it. Yeah, now you can see I think the list of email IDs and username is listed in my current projects. That's it this video. I hope this video will be useful to everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.